Today I'm going to show you how to use transitions in CapCut. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are using transitions here. So we've got two video clips. You'll see we've got this water running up and down a rock, and then we've got these waves splashing in over here. What we can actually do, you'll see like the way it turns from one to the other, it actually just flicks from one video to the next. Now we can use transitions itself, but there is another way of actually blending this so that it looks as if it's transitioning, and there's an advantage of both. So the first thing is on the top left we have transitions, and here we can choose how one video will fade into another. All right, now depending on what type of video you have, you can click down, drag it and add it, and you'll see what it looks like. And depending on what video you have, maybe it'll fit, maybe it won't. But go ahead, look for different transitions. There are tons. These are just the categories, okay? So go ahead, look for something that really speaks to you, and then click down, drag it, and pop it over there. Now this is what this looks like. And you can also change the duration of it. So if you like the effect, but you just like to make it shorter, then you can do that over here. And that's what that looks like. Okay, now there is another way of doing this, because what happens is it blends the last part of the first video and the first part of the second video. If you want to not do that, you can take this video, you can go up to the top right hand side, go to animations, and here you can have a look at different animations. So let's say we want to use the glitch. So we're going to say let's go to out, because we want this to go out here. So let's say we want to use this one here. We're going to just click on this, and that's what it's going to look like. So let's just reduce that. And then we're going to click on this one, go into animations and go in. And what we are going to do is choose perhaps like, let's say this one. Okay. And now what we've done is, and we are going to just decrease the duration. We've now created our own transition using two different types of animation. And this essentially is what this will look like. So you've got the first clip, and then we've got the second clip, and that is a creative way of transitioning your clips.